All right, today we're gonna be touring a new build from Olo Builders. This is 2634 East Salvation Court, and this is going to be their Aldin floor plan. So it is a 3-bed, 2-bath with a 3-car tandem garage, so garage runs long in there. But what's cool about this home is it has an unfinished basement down below. We're gonna do this just in one shot so you can get a good idea of the floor plan and kind of how it's set up here. They are in construction, so we'll see plenty of guys working around getting stuff done. But you'll have your front door access and then right into the garage here. So for a tandem garage, not only giving you extra storage, but if you want to use this as a workshop area, a lot of area to work in within here. And you still have access to your side yard to get out to the back door there, right in from the 3rd-car garage. So we'll go ahead and enter in through the mud room. I'm gonna do my best job to kind of illustrate what rooms we're walking in, but you can see the attached floor plans as well on their website. I'll include those in too with any information I send. So right in here, we're gonna be walking into the laundry area or mud room. You'll have a coat closet there, laundry set up there for your washer and dryer, and then this will be all framed off and enclosed. So again, we're catching this in construction. So first, we're gonna take a right and go back towards the front door. Bedroom number 1 is gonna be right over in here. So looking out towards the street, you've got your closet space right there. Right off of it is bathroom number 1. We've got a full tub. It'll be single vanity and toilet right there. Little closet space there. And then this will connect into bedroom number 2. So looking out there, closet space right there. So bedroom 2, you could access really easy right off to the laundry. Take a right turn, and then I can either go downstairs to my unfinished basement or whatever awesomeness we put down there, or this is gonna open in to your living room kind of entertaining area. So I'll point out where we can see some of the plumbing already. You can see where the island is going to go. That'll have your dishwasher as well as your sink. The refrigerator is gonna be set in over here, and what's cool, they're doing it set back. So it's gonna be set back, I think around 9 inches or so, but that's gonna give you room for a full-size refrigerator that'll still be flush with the cabinetry. So if you want a big fridge, it's not gonna stick out into your kitchen. Range and then cabinetry, gonna go up against the wall here. What's awesome too is they've got this plumbed for both gas as well as electric. They'll have a gas range included from the builder, but if you want to swap to electric or do a dual fuel, if cooking's your thing, gives you different options there. Back patio, right out here. Covered patio, they're gonna have those LED lights that are adjustable. Pantry space, right there. And then again, big open area here for the living room. And this is where we're gonna walk into the master. So your bedrooms are towards the front by the front door there with your guest bathroom over in that area. And then here's where we're gonna be walking in to your master suite. It's always tough when they don't have these framed out or anything like that, or like finished framing with like drywall to get a sense of the space. But this would be looking at the wall, probably where like the TV would go. You can see the Smurf tubing, so to have the concealed wires for like a mounted TV. But this would be good placement for the bed. You can see the 2 electrical outlets right there with the mind of, doing nightstands on either side. And then we're gonna walk right into the master bath. You're gonna have your full tub, dual vanities. You can see both of those hookups there. Going to have your toilet closet right there. Going to have your tiled in shower right in this area, and then this will be the walk-in closet, and good amount of room just even walking around this. Good spacious closet that's going to be designed and finished off in here. So that is upstairs. Let's go ahead and walk to the unfinished basement. So Olo does this on quite a few of their builds, but what's great about this is it gives you flexibility as an owner to kind of do what you want. Now, a few things I was just getting informed on that they're gonna finish here. When you get down to this basement, they're gonna finish framing this off, so there's gonna be a door that you would open into. And then you've got this big open space to do a ton of work in. Potentially some storage right there, but they've already got this kind of framed out with another potential bedroom area in mind over here. This is kind of underneath the master for reference on that side of the house. This is gonna be walking towards the front door. So again, just a lot of space to work in through here. Mechanical room is gonna be just off to your right here. So we can see our HVAC right there. And it is plumbed currently for one bathroom. You can see like where the sewage line is for the toilet there. So for a potential owner of this home, if you wanna set this up with a primary suite down here connected to your bathroom, you could do that. Or you could frame these off as additional bedrooms. They've got that framed off right there. You see that thick header for like a closet. And then you've got access to a bathroom down there. So lots of potential in this Olo build. Again, this is the Aldin. This is gonna be finished out in an estimated completion date of May 2025. Let me know what questions you got.